Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Corolla side view mirror glass. This is an easy guide to help you get your car looking great again. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, some painter's tape, and of course, your brand new replacement mirror glass. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient, saving you time and effort. Now, let's carefully remove the damaged mirror glass. First, adjust the mirror so it angles as far inward as possible, creating a gap on the outer edge. Next, wrap your flathead screwdriver with painter's tape to prevent scratching. Carefully insert the taped screwdriver into the gap and gently pry the old glass away from its backing plate. Be mindful of any wires connected to the old mirror. With the old glass removed, it's time to install your new mirror. If your Corolla has heated mirrors, carefully connect the two electrical wires to the corresponding terminals on the new glass. Then, align the new mirror glass with the backing plate. Apply firm, even pressure to the center of the glass until you hear it snap securely into position. Ensure it feels stable and properly seated. Finally, let's perform a quick check to ensure everything is working perfectly. Adjust the mirror using your vehicle's controls to confirm full range of motion. If your Corolla has heated mirrors, turn on the defroster to verify the heating element functions. Give your new mirror a quick clean with glass cleaner, and you're all set. You've successfully replaced your side view mirror glass. Great job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.